Hello, Python enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the world of Python lists and learn how to remove and add items effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your Python skills, this tutorial is for you. We start by defining a function called manipulate_list that takes three parameters: my list, the target list, item to remove, the item we want to remove, and item to add, the item we want to add. This part checks if the specified item to remove is in the list. If found, it removes the item using remove and prints the updated list. If the item is not in the list, it prints a message indicating that the item was not found. Here, we use the append method to add the new item to the list. The updated list is then printed. We provide an example by creating a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and using the manipulate_list function to remove 3 and add 6. You can replace these values with your own to experiment further. That's it for today's tutorial. We've covered the basics of removing and adding items in a Python list. Feel free to explore and modify the code to suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. Happy coding!